Trump breaking news today. Defending Donald Trump's family members, a judge speaks out in light of Trump's threats against the daughter of the judge in charge of the federal criminal case against him in New York. A federal judge has slammed the president. Washington, D.C. United States District Judge Reggie Walton responded to Trump's attack on Judge Juan Merchan. Bush selected Walton to the bench in 2001. Former president is currently on trial before Merchan for 34 counts of falsifying corporate records. The Republican has entered a not guilty plea. In addition, Trump used social media to criticize Merchan's daughter and 2 posts on Truth Social, a network with over 6.8 million followers. The former president has attacked Lorraine Merchan, describing her as a rabid Trump hater who has acknowledged to having chats with her father about me. Before the former president's hush money trial on April 15, Judge Merchan imposed a gag order, prompting Trump to launch his attacks. The purpose of the injunction was to gag Trump from discussing any member of the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, including employees, jurors, prospective witnesses, or family members, in public. Reached out to Trump's legal team via email to inquire about their comment. When asked about attacks on judges, Walton told CNN's Caitlin Collins that it's particularly troublesome when the target is a judge or a judge's family. Our dedication and faith in the rule of law motivate us to carry out these duties. Judges must be willing to do their jobs without fear of physical violence if the rule of law is to work. According to Walton, Judge Walton has also been the target of threats, along with his daughter. One caller even claimed to know the judge's residence, according to Walton, who has presided over cases including the assault on the United States Capitol on January 6. That can't dictate your behavior and how you handle the litigants in front of you, Walton admonished. No matter the circumstances, you have a responsibility to treat all individuals with dignity and respect when they appear before you in court, no matter their background or the threats leveled against you and your loved ones. Threats against judges, and especially their families, are deeply disturbing because they undermine the rule of law. Also, it's not right and shouldn't occur. In response to the question of whether the judge and his family will suffer physical harm as a consequence of Trump's internet comments, Walton argued that any rational thinking person would recognize the impact of their words, especially true when someone with prestige in our society says something. People will listen and maybe even act on it, even if the speaker doesn't mean for anybody to do so, according to Walton. So I believe it's crucial that individuals in charge exercise extreme caution when speaking out, so they don't inadvertently injure or kill someone because others listen to them and act on their words. Trump further attacked Judge Merchan's daughter by implying that her clear purpose is to have him imprisoned through a reference to an account on X, formerly Twitter. According to the New York State court system, Lorraine Merchan deleted the account last year, and since then, it seems like someone else has taken over it. The account had posted a mock-up image of Trump behind jail. According to court spokesperson Al Baker, the account is not related to her email address, nor has she posted under that screen name since she deactivated the account. On the contrary, it stands for the recreation and management of an account that she had long since left behind, in April of last year.